Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a design for a t-shirt, and I'm going to do two of them. However, I'm going to show you this amazing tool that I just added to my program for designing any logos for t-shirts. And I have my all my tools down up here, and now they used to be down here, but now I add them here. I got all my special tools here, and I'm going to show you how they work. The newest one, which is the shape tool, trim tool. But the first image I'm gonna do is like an image that I created with AI. It's a tribal dragon clip art, but it has a frame. The only problem with AI images is that not only they take many tries for you to get the accurate image that you want, but the file is not the best. So I had to take a screenshot with the snipping tool, and this is what I got. I have to remove the background, but it is very easy with one of the tools that I have on my program, which is the color remover. And we're gonna increase the brightness. We're gonna try to make it darker, and I think that looks good. Now I'm gonna choose with the color picker the color that I want to remove, which in this occasion is white. And then you see this, it still has some white around, but you know what? I'm actually glad that this happened. I'm actually gonna avoid and try again, but with the color keeper. The color keeper keeps the color that you want, as it says you want to keep. The other one removes the color that you don't want. So let's try this other option. Upload the same image, increase the brightness, and now we're going to pick the color that we want to keep and not remove. We'll see the difference, and you see it's a huge difference. I think it looks better. Now I'm going to download the image, and it's going to download as filter PNG image. Now let's close this tool, and here comes the best part. Now that I have that image with no background, we're gonna add a 3D background, and we're gonna go to the new tool I was telling you about, the shape trim tool. And basically I'm gonna upload an image, in this case the background. It can be any file, it doesn't have to be a PNG, but the second file has to be a PNG. So the first image we're gonna do, it's for this, it's going to be a metallic background, and here I have a gold background. I think it's gonna look good. And now I'm gonna upload the filter image of my dragon. I'm gonna increase the size, make it a little bit bigger, and now I'm gonna make it maybe a little bit smaller. I think that should be good. Now I'm gonna move this and try to find the best spot to capture the gold, metallic gold background, and I'm gonna do it right there and take a shot. And now I have the trim with the shape. Now let's close this image and turn our frame black. Now let's upload the new image with the gold background, and let's make it bigger. And there you have it. There's the 3D image, and you can actually try it with, let's turn it back on with white and make it smaller. You can add like outline. I think it will look good with a white t-shirt too, but we will have to add a black outline, and let's add it. Let's add one more, and I think that's gonna look great. And let's make it smaller. Actually, you know what? Let's try with a different shirt. Let's try with a black t-shirt now, and make it big. Not too big though. We don't want it to exceed the frame. Okay, that's good. Now let's upload the image, the dragon, the metallic style, and I think that's gonna look good on a t-shirt. If you do like metallic vinyl, or if you do like metallic um, DTF transfer, then you can definitely do that effect. Of course, the vinyl is different. It actually does shine, but the DTF is going to be just more like a background. But I think that looks good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Now let's do another image. Let's do the same tool, and it's going to be the shape trim tool. I have a like a image of like stone, like really old wall stone, and I have an image here that I want to add this effect that it is like a really ancient or old image like stone, and we're gonna move it here, capture. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, now we're gonna take a shot and close this, and now I'm gonna upload again the same shirt because I want to see how it looks like on a black t-shirt. That's my favorite color, so anything on my wardrobe is probably going to be black. So let's put this in the center. Now let's upload the image that we just added the background and make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we're gonna send this shirt to the back, PNG, send back, and place this here. And I think that looks great. It has that stone look. I think that will be badass in my opinion. That'll be a nice look for a t-shirt, a 3D image with this. Now if you change your mind, if you don't like the original like 3D look, you can capture anything, like as long as the image, you can do like folkloric colors, you can do, let's say a couple, you can upload a shape of a heart and just capture the shape, and then a couple for a couple t-shirts. I've seen those kind of shirts before. You can capture anything with this tool. I think this would look good. But yeah, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. And actually, before we go, let me add some outline to my PNG. No, I'm not so sure about that. I think it should be black. Anyway, thank you guys. Hopefully you like this video, and if you did, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode. Thank you.